Today I will start the while loop. Two more loops are left, while loop and do while. Already I have told you about if, else and for. Some program also I have given you how it works I have given. Now you need some practical practice only. Now we are coming to the while loop. While loop and do while. These two loops are very close each other and now there are little minor differences are there, but we will see. First is the syntax. How it works. First is the initialization. Now while here while, and now after this body of the loop and now closing. Now this is the initialization. So this is what here it is while and then the condition. And then body of the loop. Now here the beginning only, this is actually while loop, and here it is beginning only the condition. After condition there is no semicolon and all, the body of the loop, and then it will work. Now we'll see, we'll write one small program, we'll see how it is working. So here you see the while loop, the class name is do while, do underscore loop, and now public static void main string args. Now here see it is the initialization. X equal to 10 is the initialization. Then while x greater than 0. So x greater than 0 it is the 10 is greater than 0. So it will print x minus minus. So 10 will be printing here. Then after this it will be 9 because of x minus minus x value will be 9. Again it will check 9 is greater than 0. Yes, 9 also will be printing. Now again it will be 8. So 8 will be printing like that. Will keep on coming up to 1. And then 1 it will be 0. If you want after 1 it minus 9 it will be 0. But here the condition will be false. The condition is x greater than 0. Then it will come out from the loop. Actually this will be the output of the program. So here this is called entry control loop because in the entry point only there is a condition. This loop is called entry control loop. And here there is no semicolon. Here there is a semicolon. But this while loop there is no semicolon. So this is the small program of while loop. So now do while loop. You see that syntax of the do while loop. First initialization, then do. Without any condition it is do, and then body of the loop. And the condition is here. So that means if as there is no condition, so if the condition is correct or wrong, nothing is tested. While it is coming to test, by the time first round job is done, what is supposed to do? The body of the loop is executed for the first time for at least once, even the condition is false. Because the condition while it coming to test the condition, by the time it come across this portion, so that the body of the loop already checked, means whatever work supposed to do, it will do. Then it come to say the condition, it says the condition is false, it is false for this also. Even then it is being executed. Now the condition is there. So it is end of the condition. And here while, remember this, there is a semicolon at the end of the while. And when it is in case of do while, the semicolon are there in the while. In case of while, only while, then there is no semicolon. Remember this. Now see the same program we are writing in a do while format. So public static void main string args int x equal to 10 2. Now system.out println x. So that means 10 will be printing, but no condition is checked. Now after this x minus minus x will be 9, and then while x greater than 0, so again see this 2, again it will come back and it will come and it will print, then it will be, so that means this will be here only, this loop keep on sending back unless this is false. Again this keep on moving like this way. Now it will be means repeated work. Now it will be 9, so it will 9 will be printing because of this, and then again x minus minus, so x will be 8. Then after that condition will be checked, is 8 greater than 0? Yes, again it will come. So like that way 9 8 7, like that way it will come to 1. Once it comes to 1, and then 1 also will be printing, then again it will be x minus, so it will be 0. But here x greater than 0. So then x greater than 0, so 0 will not work. So that means this condition will be false and it will come out. So it will not, when the x value becomes 0, so this condition will not allow to go back once again to print the value of 0 because of the condition false. It will continue after that. means it will not come out from the program, because it will come out from the loop, not from the program. And then after that, if some more work are there, it will do, and then it will come out. So this is your do while loop. Here it is called the exit control loop. Here do, here it is, here the previous one, that while it was the entry control, the control entry point only there is a control, whereas it is called the exit control. So this is at the end of the loop there is a condition. So here the difference is, even the condition is false, first round work will be done and then only condition. But the previous one, do while, so while beginning only there is a condition. So that is the condition, for it will not allow go into the loop to print once also. Writing one program with all three, one is for loop, another one is while loop, another one is do while loop. Then it will come to very clear side by side. Actually same thing, there are three different ways we are representing, but you have to choose which you are going to use. There are certain program is good for the for loop, certain program are good for the while loop, but all three loops can be used for same program. Here write a program to print first 10 natural numbers, then 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10. First we are doing with the help of for loop. You see the for loop starting I equal to 1, I less than equal to 10 and I plus plus. Then system.out println I. So I will be first, I1 will be printing, then because of plus, then I will be 2, 2 is less than equal to 10, so again it will be printing. Again it will be 3, that is less than equal to 10, it is 3 will be printing. So like that way it will go up to 10. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4 println. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it will go to 10. I think you have no doubt about this. This is a simple program. And then after this same thing we are printing it in case of while loop. While loop, here initialization int x equal to 1, and then after the while x less than equal to 10. X less than equal to the system.out x. So that means 1 will be printing, and then after this x plus plus. That is 1, x will be 2, again it will go 2 is less than equal to 10, yes, 2 will be printing, again it will go back, x will be 3, again it will go here, keep on sending it here to check the condition. Once you are inside this loop, it will not come out unless this condition is false. So as long, so it is condition is true, it is keep on coming, again going, again sending, this bracket is coming and moving, rotating inside like this way. So after that what happens? So 2 and then x plus plus, it will be 3, 3 is less than equal to 10. So 3 also will be printing. So like that way it will come, and it will come to the up to 10. When it will x less than equal to 10, then it will also be, then x plus y it will be 11. Then it will go, but it will be false. Then up to it will come out. Once it is false, it will come out from this area. Remember this, from the do while area. Do means while area, and then if you have some more thing, that will continue. So it will, this condition, when it is false, it comes out that particular proper loop, not from the program. So this is the output of this. The same output here again, do while you see here initialization, here do, and then system.out println. There is no condition, even we are giving println x, so 1 will be printing. And then after this x plus plus, x will be 2, while x less than equal to 10, so 2 is less than equal to 10, again it will go back. So it will come here, again it will print. 2 will be printing, after that x plus plus, again x will be 3, 3 is less than equal to 10, 3 will be printing, like that we keep on going, and up to 10 when go it will go reach, and then it will go back, 10 will be printing, then it will be 11, then it will come for to check, it will not permit to go back to print the 11, because unless once it is x is 11 it is false. So unless he is sending back the 11 printing, 11 is the inside the loop, so it will not be able to print, so up to 10 will be printing. So at a glance you can see, main thing here, not the complicated program, first how the loop works, that is the main thing you have to see. So this is the way loop working, this is the for loop, while loop, do while loop. Now this same small idea we will be implementing in a big program. There is no difference, but this is the initial idea, it is the main idea, that you have to keep in mind that this is the way it works. This is the basic difference between these three loops. All are same, but it works differently. And then, but the purpose is same. Now, this exactly the same. You must be thinking that it's a small program. What is the use of it? This is the small program, but this is the concept. You have to understand properly how exactly working, how I am controlling this program, how the condition is put, and how I am controlling this loop control variable. How I am changing it. So accordingly it is given. If you just change little bit, then again it will give you different program. So this is the first step you must understand as you test it. So this is all three loops are there. Now after that I will give you some program on the basis of all three loops. Now I have already given you for loop, while, and then this is if, else, and then while and do while. This is the basic idea about all these three loops. Now I will jump into the program. There I will be using the while loop, do while loop in the next class.